How much is a Sharp TV remote? Sharp TV remotes are designed for controlling Sharp televisions and are available in various models depending on the TV's functionality, such as basic remotes for standard models or advanced ones with extra features like voice control and smart TV integration. The price of a Sharp TV remote can vary depending on the type, model, and where it's purchased. 1. Price range of Sharp TV remotes. The cost of a Sharp TV remote typically falls within these ranges. Standard remotes, priced between $10 to $25. Replacement remotes usually range from $15 to $35, depending on compatibility with specific Sharp TV models. Smart or advanced remotes can range from $30 to $50 or more, especially for models with voice control or universal compatibility. 2. Different Sharp TV remote models and their pricing. Sharp offers different types of TV remotes depending on the features and compatibility. Basic replacement remotes. These are simple infrared IR remotes priced from $10 to $20, compatible with many Sharp TV models. Smart TV remotes. These remotes come with additional functionality for smart TV features, such as dedicated buttons for streaming services like Netflix or Hulu, typically priced between $20 to $35. Voice-controlled remotes, high-end remotes with voice control or universal remote capabilities for controlling other devices may range from $30 to $50. 3. Features that affect the price. The price of a Sharp TV remote depends on several factors. Compatibility. Remotes designed for specific Sharp TV models may be priced higher than universal remotes. Smart features. Remotes with advanced functions, like voice control or features designed to control other smart home devices, will typically be more expensive. Build quality. High-quality remotes with ergonomic designs or additional buttons for specific functions may come at a higher price. 4th, best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Sharp TV remote, consider purchasing during holiday sales. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or other holiday sales often feature discounts on electronics accessories. Clearance sales. Older or discontinued remote models may be discounted during clearance events. Retailer-specific promotions. Some retailers may offer deals or bundle discounts when purchasing other Sharp TV accessories. Sharp TV remotes are generally affordable, with prices varying based on the type of remote and the specific TV model. Comparing prices from different retailers and keeping an eye on sales events can help you find the best deal.